Today's conversation is on leadership. I have with me Dr. Shamsha Emmanuel, who is an NLP practitioner, a behavioral coach, and an educator for the past 20 years. And we are the founders of I Am Possible. So, Dr. Shamsha, tell me, why is it important for leadership skills to be developed in children at a young age?
Hi, Patricia, and hello, everyone out there. It's rightly said, Patricia, that if we do not have leaders, the society will perish. It's always been important for us to be a guiding light to our kids and to the society at large so that we can lead the entire society towards positivity. We have a number of examples of leaders around us. Like we have positive and negative leaders. We have Nelson Mandela, we had Gandhi ji, we have so many others. We have a leader like Hitler who has made history again. So basically, if you relate to the childhood of all these leaders, you will find that very strong roots of leadership have been laid in their childhood. And what is even more important is that each one of us has that innate ability to lead. But we have to discover it, we have to uncover it in such a manner that we realize it. And that is why leadership needs to be taught to children.
Wow, thank you for that wonderful answer. So tell me, how can we inculcate this leadership abilities and skills, or teach the skills to children at a young age?
Yeah, that's $1 million question, actually, which generations have tried to answer, and you're asking me to put it in a frame. Okay, I'll try to do that. So basically what happens is, when you teach leadership, we normally try to create an atmosphere, an environment, a very conducive learning environment for the child to pick up certain skills. Now, if you try to understand this concept of leadership, it has not remained the same, right? It's changed over the years. And this concept of leadership has nested itself into the management field, but it has overflown like a volcano, and it is still flowing. And in the process, it has bursted to such an extent that today we talk about strategic leadership, we talk about environmental leadership, we talk about leadership in terms of thought, we talk about leadership in sustainability, we talk of leadership in different aspects, you know. So leadership is not just leading people, it's leading thoughts, it's leading ideas, it's leading philosophies, it's creating philosophies, it's so much more. So when you talk of leadership, basically the core skills that we focus while we deal with kids and adults, of course, is different life skills like problem solving, strategic thinking, logical thinking, analysis, case studies, a lot of creativity and critical analysis. So all these set of people skills and personal skills are linked with your concepts, with situations, and then leadership is taught to the kids. So basically, the entire coursework that is there to teach children is based on this. So I think we need to basically frame very good decision makers in the society. So children need to be made ready to frame the situation in a correct manner, to understand the situation in a correct manner, and to take proper decisions in order to make a more efficient you, me, and the entire society. So efficacy is what is the core of leadership, and that comes through proper decision making. Response, if I could further analyze that.
Wow, that's very well said and very well put. I cannot agree less than that's whatever you've said. Okay. So Dr. Shamsha, at I Am Possible, we are organizing another workshop, a program rather, on leadership. So tell me more about that.
Patricia, I think the entire workshop that we are intending to offer to these kids is one of its kind, because we normally don't come across any workshops for children in leadership. But yes, there are a lot of philosophers and educationists and even behavioral coach who believes that skills should be taught to the children in such a manner that it becomes very natural to them. And that is what we are going to do in this course. Actually, we are just going to help them uncover their abilities, their possibilities, their capacities in such a manner that they feel that all these things are their very own. It should flow naturally, it should just flow naturally to them as language. So leadership is leadership when it comes naturally. So what is leadership basically? If you really analyze this term, leadership is dominance. Yes, it is. Leadership is cooperation. Yes, it is. Leadership is taking a group of people, leading a group of people, leading a group, a thought process, making it possible in such a manner that the entire society has very positive vibes and gets elevated in the process. So leadership is actually building stronger teams. And I think that's what even I'm Possible is all about. So that's what we are going to try to do with all the kids out there.
Absolutely, absolutely. Very well put and very well. Strongly, I agree with you in everything that you said. So we are having this leadership program that we're starting from the 24th of April. Tell me more about it.
The leadership program that we're going to start from the 24th of April is a program that is a 4-Saturday program. We're going to deal with different kind of skills in this particular program. The program is completely participatory in nature. It's theoretical yet very beautifully put to practice. It's practical yet very beautifully put in the theoretical ways in such a way that it becomes very easy for the kids to understand. It is not going to be Greek and Latin to them. It's going to be very, very comprehensible. And that is what is the beauty of this particular program. So our basic goal will be to prepare each child to be a self-leader, develop the self-leading abilities and capacities and enhance those capacities in the long run. And it's a challenge that it could be done in these 4-Saturday program. And that is the intensive course that we're going to provide to the kids in this particular spectral time. So looking forward to it, actually. I'm already so excited about it.
I am too. I was just reminiscing that probably we had this opportunity when we were in school.
Yeah.
That was
Actually, the generation that we have now needs to be told many things. They're so much exposed to the technology and information is so explosive around them that they need to be great decision makers. They need to understand what is right, what is wrong, what should influence them, what shouldn't influence them, and what needs to be discussed, what needs to be, absorbed within our framework and within the cultural, within the societal, within the individualistic parameters. And hence decision making is a very important skill, and this would come with great leadership too. So we are going to try to actually collaborate these two very, very closely to the kids, that is decision making and leadership, and make it possible for everyone to be a good self-leader and a social leader.
Absolutely. I think you said it well again. Yeah. I think we are talking about even emotional intelligence here in leadership.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
Right. That's really required in these days. Emotional intelligence, right from a very young age. I think we can make beautiful, amazing human beings, isn't it?
In fact,
leave a legacy.
Yes. In fact, if you look at certain researches, it is emotional breakdown is nowadays very common in kids. And if you look at the deeper analysis, it's also because kids lack leadership skills when it comes to their own self. So I guess that's a very important point that you have to brought out in this particular discussion. So we really hope to see a lot of kids, very vibrant kids across the globe who could take up this program, and it's going to be real fun and challenge for us to bring the best out of them. But we'll make it possible.
Absolutely, and that's exactly our motto at I Am Possible.
Yes, I'm possible.
Yes, exactly.
That is what we need to end with. So let's make every child say this, that I'm possible, by undertaking this particular course that we are going to offer to them.
Absolutely. So let's end it on a good note, saying I am possible.